Even with a limited crew, the shop has started production on the Easy Edge corner plane. So let's take a quick look inside the shop and see how things are going. And remember, keep a distance of 6 feet. We start with a solid piece of aluminum milled at a state-of-the-art CNC mill. The milling process includes 3 cycles to complete the body, where the tool is flipped over throughout the cycle for milling on the other side and the bottom of the tool. To make sure the cutters and the body will all fit together properly, the freshly milled tools are meticulously checked for accuracy. The tools are then anodized with our Woodpeckers red and laser engraved with logos. Now let's head over to the lathe department, where the cutters are turned. Starting with 01 tool steel, the cutters are precision turned at a CNC lathe. Next, the other end of the tool is turned and threaded. We're continuing to work on the Easy Edge corner plane, and will begin shipping soon. So keep a lookout for your order, and stay tuned for more production updates.